Wait, hold on, it's a video. Hello, folks. Come join us as we celebrate Keno's birthday. We are at Manatee Island Bar and Grill in Fort Pierce. Come join us now. Look at highlights. Make us see what going on over. Yes, sir. The restaurant consists of two main areas, an indoor dining area that's quite eclectic, and an outdoor bar on the back area of the restaurant, like a patio type of vibe. Yeah, man, they play music out there. They have a live band set up and all these things on certain times. And overall, it's just an eclectic feeling. I like the outside because it gives you a beautiful view of the intercoastal, which is always nice. Yeah, when it's not too hot, that is. So, of course, you know me have to go outside, go look around a little bit and build a little vibe before I go inside to order my meal. Inside was nicely decorated, yeah, quaint, with a little bit of nostalgic type of vibes, like a Florida seacoast type of vibe. And of course, there's always souvenirs in a little gift shop type of settings also. If you like quaint, eclectic, if you like that type of Island Joe vibe, yeah, you'll definitely like Manatee Island Bar and Grill. Let's get to the menu. Menu is nice. Their prices are affordable. And of course, non-pretentious types of food. You just get what you want and you are good to go. Check out some of what we got as we dined together. What a better can name Alfred everywhere go. Jesus, peace. And she, my girl, you know, just do that in your friend. I'm gonna say happy birthday, Keno. Happy birthday, Keno. Happy birthday, Keno. Happy birthday to him. Happy birthday to him. Happy birthday, dear Keno. Him. Happy birthday to you. And the fire I go out. Bless you. May the good Lord bless you. With more dumpling. May the good Lord bless you. And pizza. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Mayo, no blow it.
I don't know it. I am
done. We're here sharing Keno's cake. It is the new type of cake. It named Red Corduroy. Not red velvet. Red Corduroy. And it's very good. It's very nutritious and riboflavor. It tastes good? Mommy say it tastes good. Joshua, how the corduroy taste? How the cake taste? Tastes good? Candy, how the corduroy cake taste? Tastes good? Keno, how the corduroy taste? So after dinner, we decided to just take a walk on the Fort Pierce Inlet, which is right next door. I promise you guys, it's such a beautiful scenery. You're gonna wanna walk out and just experience the intercoastal, the nature of it all, and of course, just we build a little vibes. So yeah, come join with us a walk. Yeah, thank you so much for spending time with us as we entertain the family. Yes. Happy birthday, Akeno. Out here with the fam bomb in these beach. I mean, the streets. It's supposed to be in the streets, but it's beach. So we're just chilling.
Say that you kill the snake?
She never said.
Hey.
How them play reggae?
Mom.
That boat. Thank you, Simone. It's a yacht. Simone says a yacht. It's a yacht. That's mommy and take picture.